Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavanscha. For eating, he has rational. What is he is eatable? Dog does not like preparation made with too much ghee. They like meat, rotten meat, dried bones. There is rational. This is my food. Yes. Similarly, hog also. He likes to eat stool than halwa. He has got rationality. As he will not eat stool, he will like halwa. He has got rationality. Then if hog has got rationality, he will not eat halwa, he will eat stool. So where is the want of rationality? Why don't you eat stool? That is rationality.
Yes.
Simply he does not eat halwa. So what is the difference between you in the matter of rationality? You deny something, he denies something. What is the want of rationality?
Bhavananda has said that in his previous life he had a pet pig, and he used to offer the pig sweet. But the pig would take the sweet, and when he did not eat it, he would roll it in dirt. And when it is filled with dirt, then only he would eat.
That's it.
It tasted so bad, he had said something tastes good around it so he could get it down.
It is not for the hog, but a human being. I had a friend, if you give him Rasagolla, he will want little salt. Rasagolla with little salt he will eat. Without salt he cannot eat. And my father, he was at the last stage of his stay, some rice mixed with milk. While eating that, he will take a little curry also. So it is a taste.
Paramahansa and Prabhupada were preaching in Siam, Thailand. And there they would offer the people rasgulla, but they would put soy sauce on it. They would put this bitter sauce on it. Then only they would.
In Burma, my Guru Maharaj opened a branch. So when they were frying puri, the nice ghee, all the tenants say, oh, what well. They cannot tolerate. But in Burma there is a preparation which is called nafi. The nafi means that a big jar will be kept on the door, and whatever animals, insect, cockroaches will die, they will put in that. And during rainy season it will be filled with water, and it will be kept for years. Then this bad smell was so terrible that if somebody would open the lid, it will immediately create very bad smell. So after some years, they will strain the water and keep in bottle. And when there is festival, they will supply in small. That is called naaf. And they will take it very pleasantly. And when you are frying ghee, oh, what you are doing this? Therefore, Narottam Das Thakur says that Nana Joni Brahman Kare Kadarja Bhokhan Kare Tar Janma Adhoppate Jaya Karma Kanda, Gyana Kanda, Sakali Bishere Bhanda, Amrita Bolia Jiva Khai. Karma Kanda, there are three kandas, Karma Kanda, Gyana Kanda, and Upasana Kanda. The Upasana Kanda is bhakti. So, instead of accepting this Upasana Kanda, worshipping the Supreme, Sarvadan Mahan Purushadeva, if one takes to the other processes, Karma Kanda, Gyana Kanda, they are Bishera Bhanda, they are all poison pots. The result is, if they take to that path, then this transmigration of the soul will continue, and they will have to eat all nasty things. Because this time you may be human being, and next time you may be hog.